Stephen Livingstone is an English cricketer who plays for Lancashire. Livingstone is a right-handed opening batsman and occasional spin bowler, capable of bowling both right-arm leg and off-spin. He made his Twenty20 debut for Lancashire against Leicestershire in May 2015, scoring 15. On 19 April 2015, Livingstone gained media coverage after scoring 350 off 138 balls for his club side Nantwich, reported to be one of the highest individual scores in one-day history. Livingstone made his first-class debut for Lancashire in the first game of the 2016 season. On 24 April 2017, after leading Lancashire as stand-in captain to their first victory of the 2017 season, he was awarded his county cap. On 30 November 2017, he was appointed as club captain for the 2018 season, replacing Stephen Croft. In June 2017, Livingstone was named in England's Twenty20 international squad for the series against South Africa. He made his T20I debut for England against South Africa on 23 June 2017. On 10 January 2018, Livingstone received his first call-up to the England Test squad for their upcoming two-match series against New Zealand following a strong performance for the England Lions side during the Ashes winter of 2017-18, in which national selector James Whittaker said that Livingstone had been a standout performer. In December 2018, Livingstone was bought by the Rajasthan Royals in the player auction for the 2019 Indian Premier League. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.